Are you ready to feel good? Because you're gonna feel real good after this video. So for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Jonathan. This is my Feel Good channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I want to create a channel that will hopefully inspire you and make you feel good every time after watching my videos through various topics, discussions, maybe even some food review, because I love food. And with that being said, let's get started on the first video. So today, I want to talk about how to unbreak your heart. Okay? Cue Tony Braxton. Girl, we all go through heartbreaks, okay? But what's a little heartbreak's gonna do to you? Because you are beautiful, you are independent, you is loved, and you possess more power than you think you do. So step one on how to unbreak your heart is cry. You know you want to. Go ahead. I'm gonna wait here. It's actually very healthy to experience a full range of emotion. Yes, that's including sadness. My therapist actually told me that I need to allow myself to feel a full range of emotion. Because I'm naturally a positive person, I tend to kind of really look for the greener grass on the other side. You know what I'm saying? That's where I want to hang out. We need to go through sadness to really experience happiness at the end. And that's when it's good. So once you're finished crying and feeling pity for yourself, it's time to buckle up and spend some quality time with yourself. Doing all the things that you love, whether it is reading a book, getting some ice cream. Me personally, I like to jam out to music because that's when I feel free. And it's actually very important to spend time with yourself because we tend to lose ourselves in a relationship. And most of us feel kind of lost once we're alone again. So do you, boo. Do you until you're ready to do somebody else. But like, I need support from people because I'm really lonely. Yes, girl, we all need support from other people, okay? Don't think that just because we spending time by ourselves to find ourselves again, that we need to isolate ourselves from the world. So be careful not to isolate yourself because that is a very dangerous area to be in. You don't have to walk through life alone, ever. That's why you surround yourself with people who knows you and love you and there for you no matter what. So sometimes you just gotta lean on them. When you're not strong, will you be my friend? Will you be my friend and help me carry on, girl? Because these people will probably be able to offer you a lot of advice, make you laugh, and maybe you can even help them move on with their heartbreaks too. Open yourself up to love and it will find you. Okay? Now I know a lot of y'all out there trying to stunt on your exes, but you gotta stunt effectively. And that means that you gotta work on yourself in every aspect. Not just your look, not just your clothes, not just like, let me go get my eyebrow thread today, let me go get my nails done today. You can do that too to make you feel better, but work on your success because that's the most effective way to stun on everybody and prove to them you are capable of being an independent, beautiful, strong, whoever you are. And with all of that being said, the most important thing for you to remember is to learn from your past and do not repeat your mistakes, because I'm sure you make plenties, because I did too. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you feel real good. And I hope I was able to inspire you a little bit or make you feel better about your situation. And I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys have any suggestion at all for my next video, leave it in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up, like it, and share it so you can spread this inspiration to everybody in your life, okay? My name is Jonathan. You can find me on Instagram at Jthebabe. I was gonna say .com, but this ain't no email, girl. And until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day.